Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to show you how to download TradingView to your phone. As you saw, I opened my App Store. I'm going to go back to it. App Store. Since I already typed in my search bar, TradingView, I am going to download TradingView back to my phone. So I'm going to touch the little cloud symbol here. Should take just a few seconds to download it. I'm going to show you how to download it, open it up, and manipulate it and add pivots to it today. As you see at the bottom row, you have a watch list and you have some icons at the bottom. The first thing you're going to do is touch profile on the bottom right. There, it gives you the option to log in or sign up. And I encourage you guys to sign up and get a free account, because if you have a free account, then all your drawings, all the things, the settings you place on here will be saved so you can review them and go back to them later. But for today, what we're going to do is just change it from white background to a dark theme background, because unless you've experienced it before, when you open this chart up and the screen is all white at 3 o'clock in the morning, it really does a thing to your eyes. So I'm going to change it to the dark theme. All right. I'm going to go back. I'm going to hit skip at the top left. So we're not going to create an account today. The second icon from the left, it says chart. So you tap that right there. Right now it has on Apple, that's the default symbol that they have. So you can use TradingView for any type of chart, from stocks to commodities to Forex. So in order to change it to a Forex pair, you would touch where it says AAPL1D at the top left. Touch that. It'll bring up a search bar. You would type in the symbol you want, and we're going to go with USDJPY. And it will bring up a list. I always select the one at the top so it's easier for me to retrieve or go back to. So I touch that. And now here I am. I am on USDJPY on a 1-day chart. That's what the 1D stands at the top left. And you want to change that to the hour or any other time frame, just touch the 1D. Then it gives you a list. So I'm going to go with 1 hour. Okay. You can manipulate the size of the chart by dragging the scale on the right side. Got it. Yeah, first time. Going up and down. Also, you see the numbers at the bottom said 19, 20, 21. Those are the dates. And you can move it going left and right to change the scale. You can even move this chart around by holding the screen and just simply moving it. The lines at the very bottom is an indicator called volume. I really don't use it. Cody and Easton and all the trainers, I haven't seen them use it yet, so we're going to remove that. And the top left, you'll see it says USDJPY, which is spelled out. And there is a plus symbol there too. And I changed mine to minus. Under that, under the red writing, you'll see a VOL, then parentheses 20, and you'll see on the far right of that an X. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that X just to remove that volume indicator from my chart, my screen. So the next thing you're gonna do is simply add pivots. At the top row, you'll see USDJPY 1H, then you'll see a symbol that looks like a clock. Then you see another symbol that has lines and little small circles in it. Touch that symbol with the lines and small circles, and it'll bring up a list of options. One of those options will be indicators, which would be third from the top. So touch indicators. You're gonna touch the little search bar where it has a little magnifying glass. You're gonna type in pivots, and it'll bring up pivot point high, low. I'm sorry. Pivots. I'm sorry, I put a space in there. They bring a pivot point standard. Pivot point standard is the one you want. So just simply touch it. Top right corner, you'll see 2 X's. Touch the very one at the top X to close out the search field. And now you have your pivots on your screen. And whatever pair Cody and Easton ask you to take a look at, or you're going through the training, you want to see how pivot points affect price, and you'll see how price kind of goes between it, touches, bounces. When it goes across a pivot, there's normally a strong move across a pivot. And see, this simply shows you that price actually respects pivot points. All right, I hope this helps. Get back with me and give me some feedback on how well it helped or what could have been done to improve this tutorial. Thank you.